Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add custom options to your Shopify product page, like a text field, picture upload, and more, without using any apps. It works with all free Shopify themes using a simple copy-paste of code. Let's get started. You probably only want these custom options on specific products. We can do that by creating a separate product template. First, create a new template for your custom products. From your theme list, click Customize on your current theme. At the top, open the drop-down that says Homepage, select Products, and click Create Template. Name the template Custom and click Create Template. Now open the product you want to customize. Scroll down to Theme Template, select the new template you just created, and click Save. Next, let's edit the theme to add our custom option. Before making changes, duplicate your theme as a backup. Click the three dots next to your theme name and choose Duplicate. Once the copy is ready, click Customize to open it. From the drop-down, select Products, then choose your new custom template. Now add a new block inside the product information section. On the left, if the block list is hidden, click the small arrow to reveal it, click Add Block, select Custom Liquid, and open the new block. Keep this page open and head to imineamary.com. Then open the custom field generator. Here's how it works. At the top, choose the type of field you need. On the right, you can preview what it looks like. At the bottom, you'll see the code generated automatically. Remember, custom options and custom fields mean the same thing. I'll start with a short text field, rename it, and add a character limit, perfect for custom engravings. As you type, you'll see a live character counter. You can also make the field required before the product can be added to the cart. When you're happy, click Copy to copy the code. Go back to Shopify, select your custom liquid block, and paste the code. Click the arrow to return to the block list. Drag the new block above the quantity selector. It appears in the right place. Let's add another field. I'll choose File Upload, name it Your Picture, copy the code, create another custom liquid block, paste the code, and drag it into position just like before. One last thing. For testing, required fields won't work if the Buy Now button is active. So click on the Buy Buttons block and uncheck Show Dynamic Checkout buttons. Click Save and preview your product page. Try to cart without filling in the field. You'll see a message asking you to complete it first. Type something in and watch the counter update live. You can also upload a file, add the product to the cart, and you'll see the custom data right on the cart page. Click the file link to download it, proceed to checkout, and you'll see the custom information there too. After placing the order, you'll also find the custom details and file link on the admin order page. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your updated theme live. You might be wondering if you can charge extra for custom options. The only way to do that is with a paid app like Bold Options Premium. The link is in the description if you want to explore that. And that's it. You've successfully added custom product options without using an app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.